10 Side Hustle Ideas for Making Extra Money. Today, we will talk about the things, some side hustle ideas you can do to make an extra income at your own spare time. And if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell button to be notified whenever a new video is released. Are you looking for a way to make a little more money? Regardless of your financial objectives, it's always a good idea to learn how to make extra money. There is no reason why you shouldn't try a side hustle if you can do it without it having a detrimental impact on your job or personal life. You can pursue your passion, advance your financial goals, and boost your income by doing a side hustle. Here is a list of the side hustle I think you should try if you want to earn more money, invest more, and become financially independent. Number 1. Provide coaching or consulting to people online. You might make good money as a side hustle coaching or consulting individuals online if you have knowledge and/or experience in a particular field. If you love solving problems and interacting with people, online tutoring can be fantastic. Running a side business as an online coach requires no expense, and you can charge by the hour or the month to generate regular income. Being able to assist those in need makes coaching a fulfilling career. However, you can also work as a life coach, sports coach, health coach, or anything in between. Executive coaches typically earn the highest salaries. You can coach in person or online, and there are a variety of credentials that can raise your credibility as a coach. You can begin hiring additional trainers once you establish a reputation for yourself in order to broaden your clientele and boost your earning possibilities. Number 2. Sell a physical product online. Every day, millions of individuals make purchases from their preferred retailer, a small business on social media, or an internet store like Amazon. Consider creating and selling the product you wish you had if you have a love for a certain sector of the economy or want to find a solution to a certain issue. Create a website for your internet store so you can start selling and earn extra money each month. Your products don't have to be new. Listing gently used items on social media, eBay, or Facebook marketplace groups can be a side hustle that not only brings in more money, but also declutters your home. With a global audience of consumers using eBay to buy almost anything, selling on eBay has a ton of possibilities. Although it will take time and a lot of work, making good money is definitely attainable if you play your cards wisely. You can approach selling on eBay in a variety of ways due to the platform's inherent flexibility. So how do you go about doing so is entirely up to you. This implies that you can spend as much time as you like on this side hustle concept, but the extra cash will reflect this. Number 3. Do freelance work. Companies are almost constantly searching for competent labor to help them get things done, making freelance employment an excellent side business. The challenging aspect of having a side gig like that is finding your first client. You will then continue to develop your abilities, enhance your own brand, do more work, raise your fees, etc. This side business is built on a talent you already possess or are at least competent in. You can do almost whatever there is a demand for when it comes to freelancing. By making it simpler to discover odd tasks and get paid through platforms like FREELANCE, you can concentrate on expanding your freelance business and earning more money. The flexible side business of choice is freelancing. Although you can choose your own hours and pricing, keep in mind that you will be up against other independent contractors from across the world. This implies that you can easily continue doing your regular job while joining other side hustlers in the gig economy. Number 4. Walk dogs with ROVER. Dogs are among the most entertaining animals, which makes a side business like this one enjoyable and gratifying. The company ROVER provides a variety of services for dogs, such as dog walking, boarding, pet sitting, and house sitting. You can select the services that best suit your needs and take pleasure in the time you spend playing with dogs. You need to have a passion for puppies to make dog walking work because it won't make you rich. However, it may also be quite pleasant and a convenient way to earn some additional money while getting regular exercise. People who have furry family members frequently hire dog sitters when they travel. Dog sitting could be the ideal side business if you enjoy dogs and don't mind taking care of them. You may earn a lot of money by dog sitting at either your home or their home. Using the website ROVER, you can find local dog owners that require dog sitters. With ROVER, You may choose the breed, size, and age of the dogs you want to take care of. Additionally, you can benefit from Rover's free educational resources on pet care. Number 5. Write an ebook. Writing and selling ebooks is another excellent passive online income strategy. A wonderful choice is to write instructional and how-to ebooks because there is always a huge market for them. Find a need that isn't being met in the market and try to fill it by writing an ebook on it. You have the option of writing it yourself or hiring someone else to. There are many freelance marketplaces where you can post the task and locate a qualified writer to do it. Then, after writing your ebook, self-publish it and make it available for purchase on any site you choose, such as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. You might wish to undertake an advertising campaign to promote it yourself in order to make your first few sales and gain some traction. Number 6. Drive with ride-sharing apps. If you reside in a major city with a large population of offices and visitors, ride-sharing applications like Uber and Lyft function well. In order to avoid worrying about wear and tear and maintenance, several businesses even let you rent an automobile on demand. Even if driving for businesses might not pay well, it's worth at least attempting to see whether it fits your lifestyle while earning some extra cash in the interim. Save as much money as you can before deciding to drive for a ride-sharing app so that you can use it to start a side business that will help you make even more money. To top it off, the benefits of driving for Uber have grown significantly over time. Uber currently collaborates with a number of other companies to provide free music, discounted phone plans, healthcare, and petrol and maintenance specials. The moment has come to make money on your terms if you value having the freedom to choose your own schedule, appreciate being mobile, and live close to one of the over 10,000 cities where Uber is currently offered. Number 7. Become a social media influencer. Although it may seem like a great way to start earning money online, not everyone can do it. The fact that teenagers on Instagram, crazed children or bored adults on YouTube, and users with no real talents on other sites all become wealthy overnight may seem unfair. This is as a result of the fact that they attracted a specific audience who started subscribing to their channel or following their profile and was interested in their content. These days, social media influence has got to be one of the most well-liked side businesses. It seems like a fresh story about a teenager becoming a TikTok star or how a YouTube channel became popular is released every day. The social media elite, known as influencers, profit from the content they upload. How many followers you have will determine how much money you make. Because many other intelligent and devoted people who took this route found their dream career and left their regular ones by doing so. Number 8. Earn money while traveling with tourism jobs. Let's discuss further side business concepts in the travel industry. You can submit an application for tourism jobs if you are a gregarious and outgoing person. Jobs in the tourist sector frequently focus on providing excellent customer service and include lots of interaction. The comfort and security of vacationers and travelers are the main objectives of these employment. Workers in the tourism industry will do every effort to ensure that travelers have an enjoyable and worthwhile experience. Whether you work as a tour guide, a cruise staff member, or a concierge, the tourists who are paying for their comfort and enjoyment should be your top priority. Jobs in the hospitality industry are associated with travel, thus they are frequently in demand. Additionally, cruise ships provide a wide range of jobs, including performers, servers, managers, and countless other roles. It's almost like I'm on a paid vacation with this side job. Number 9. Host with Earn. Do you have an extra room that isn't being used? By placing an Earn ad on your home, you could earn money. People are looking to travel as the world has opened up since the pandemic and as a result of all their pent-up restlessness. The cost of lodging has grown as a result of the increased demand. You might take advantage of this chance by renting out the entire house or whatever extra space you have. You may pay your expenses and save money by renting out a spare room, apartment, or home. The going pricing for similar establishments in your area is simple to find, so you can figure it out from there. Earn may prove to be even more beneficial if you own many houses because economies of scale will increase your earnings. Number 10. Start a money-making blog. Another fantastic concept for a side business and home company that you can launch in a day is blogging. One of the more well-liked methods of earning money online is blogging. Blogging is a great side job if you're enthusiastic about a subject and want to start producing material. You can quickly discover inexpensive hosting, set up your own website, and begin producing content. To make sure that your blog is read and that you can successfully monetize it, you should take some time to concentrate on your writing and SEO techniques. It's enjoyable and a great way to boost your monthly income to run a side business. Make your research and consider any feasible side businesses. Then choose the side venture that best fits your goals and lifestyle. A side hustle can be used to complement your primary source of income and could one day grow into something bigger. As you move closer to financial freedom, make the most of side companies. Do you share your opinions and ideas on what you believe? Please share this with as many people as possible so they may find it and hunt for a side hustle that not only fits where you are but also where you want to be. Thanks for watching.